Hello my darlings, we're back, we're here. I still need to do an updated craft room video, but I'm still waiting on Matt to finish my desk, so I'm waiting for that to happen. Once the desk is finished, I'm also going to do a video on setting it all up, because I'm excited for that. But I'm also going to do a video on all the I don't actually know how you say it, TWSBI, Swibby, is that how you say it? Someone want to correct me in the comments. These pens, Matt got me some different ones for my birthday, so I've got a few that I want to like unbox and fill them up with snazzy inks, so I'm going to do a video on that as well. So they are coming at some point once this room is finished, but it is turning into my favourite room in the house because it's just a little oasis and I love it. But that aside, I'm actually going to get another pillow because this one is not big enough. And we're going to get stuck into this week's journal with me. If you're new here, welcome. We're going to journal some prompts together. I'm going to ask you the questions. You're going to spend some time journaling on them. We go for 3.5 minutes, but if you need longer, just simply hit pause or come back to them after the session if you do want to journal along with me. So, prompt number 1, what words do I need to hear and from whom? What words do I need to hear and from whom? Okay, and your next one is, what's the best piece of advice you've been given and why? What's the best piece of advice you've been given and why? Okay, and your final one is, who do you look up to and why? Who do you look up to and why? morning, my lovelies. As always, I hope you found the prompts interesting and insightful. I found them quite tricky today. I found them a little bit tough, so maybe some to come back to and spend a bit more time on. As always, if you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe so you can get notified of all my new videos. The aim of the game is to get these Journal With Me videos out weekly, but sometimes life happens, it doesn't always happen, but that is the aim of the game. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram because I post lots of journal prompts over there and other lovely stuff, and you can join my newsletter as well. And the doors to the True Self Society are also opening in June, and I would love to have you come along and join a group of like-minded women in a safe space where we journal together, we get creative together, and there's just lots of wonderful resources all about how to tap into really living as your true self. So there's so much more information on my website. I'll drop all the relevant links in the description box below, and I will see you in the next one.